Okay, let's get started with the sample paper marathon section A. There are 20 questions. We try to solve these 20 questions in 20 minutes. 20 questions. Let's get started. HCF of 202 raised to the power 100 minus 1, 2 raised to the power 120 minus 1. Very interesting question. Different फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी, इसके लिए एक फॉर्मूला डेडिकेटेड है 2 रेज टू द पावर m माइनस 1। अगर इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन होता है टू फाइंड द HCF ऑफ दिस, सो इसके लिए एक फॉर्मूला डेडिकेटेड है दैट 2 whatever be the base रेज टू द पावर HCF ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट, जो भी एक्सपोनेंट है उसका हम HCF फाइंड आउट करेंगे माइनस 1। HCF of 100 and 120 is 20 minus 1. Check what is the result. 2 raised to the power 20 minus 1. Next, zeros of the quadratic. Zero means when we substitute the value here, it will give 0 as a result, जो इसके solution होते हैं। Now what is the sum here? Sum is positive 99 and product is positive 127। यहाँ क्वेश्चन में आपको जीरोस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए नहीं बोला है, यहाँ पर सिर्फ उनकी साइंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए बोला है। सो सम और प्रोडक्ट दोनों पॉजिटिव है, सो प्रोडक्ट आपका इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 2 पॉजिटिव यू विल गेट पॉजिटिव, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई 2 नेगेटिव वो भी आपको पॉजिटिव देता है। नाउ एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स ऑन सम। सम पॉजिटिव कब आएगा? जब हम दोनों के दोनों पॉजिटिव लेंगे। सो आवर रिजल्ट विल बी x प्लस a and x plus b. If you further solve it, it will be x plus a is equal to 0. So result will be negative, and here same process, x plus b is equal to 0, x is equal to negative b. So both negative. Next, pair of linear equation is consistent. So direct question, it will be intersecting and coincident. Which of the following equation has 2 as a root? Root means अगर आप substitute करते हो value, that will give 0 as a result. So this you can do it mentally. If I substitute here 2 raised to the power 4 minus 4 into 2 8 plus 6, this is not giving 0. This is 4 plus 6 minus 12. This is also not giving 0. This will be 2 square, 4 into 2 8, 8 minus 14 plus 6, 8 and 6 14 minus 14, this is equal to 0. Hence this is the answer. D part check करने की कोई need नहीं है. Next, 7 times 7th term. Start solving. 7 times 7th term is equal to 11 times 11th term. Find what will be 18th term. Let's solve this equation. 7a plus 60, 11 a plus 10d. Open it. 7a plus 42d is equal to 11a plus 110d. Take everything to this side. Any side, आप left to right भी ले जा सकते हैं, right to left भी ले जा सकते हैं. What is my purpose of sending it to right side? Because right side में दोनों number is greater than the numbers which are on the left hand side. 11a बड़ा है 7a से and 110d बड़ा है 42 से. Now subtract 11a minus 7d is 4a. 110 minus 42d is 68d. There is nothing left on one side, so is equal to 0. We can take 4 common. A plus 17d is equal to 0. A plus 17d is equal to 0. What is this? This is nothing but 18th term. Hence the result is 0. Moving to next question. In triangle, whenever this type of question comes, try to draw diagram A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, AB, here is C, AB and DE. Then BC and FD. When they will be similar, these are two S, we require A. What is the middle angle here? Middle angle will be here B and here D. So B is equal to D. Always check by drawing triangles. Next, distance between these 2 points is 5. What our formula says, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square का under root. This is nothing but your distance. So distance is given 5. Which one? This one is x1, y1, x2, y2. Substitute. -1 minus 2 whole square plus x minus of minus plus 2 whole square. This is -3 whole square plus, open this, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This square root will go to other side, it will become square. So 9 plus x square plus 4x plus 4. Write it down again. This will be 25. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus x square plus 4x is equal to 25. Bring this to one side. X square plus 4x plus 13 minus 25 is equal to 0. X square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Middle term splitting. 6x minus 2x minus 12 is equal to 2. 6 into 2 is 12. Positive, negative, negative. 6 minus 2 is 4. So this is perfect pairing. Taking x common. Here take -2. Sign first come first basis पे होता है. So we have taken negative common. ये दोनों same है. Take out x plus 6. X minus 2 is equal to 0. If you solve it further, x is equal to -6. X is equal to +2. So हमारे पास क्या है? +2. Question number 8. Can 16 and 142 be the HCF and LCM of respective two numbers? Now, how to check that 16 and 142 is LCM of any two numbers? सबसे पहले हमें चेक करना है whether HCF is a factor of LCM. If it is true, in case अगर HCF LCM का factor है, then only this statement be true. तभी ये नंबर LCM और HCF हो सकते हैं किसी दो नंबर्स के. So let's check. Divide 142 by 16, which says 16 is not a factor. of LCM. Hence, no. The value of sin 30 plus cos 30 minus sin 60 plus cos 60. इसके लिए आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की वैल्यू टेबल लर्न होनी चाहिए. व्हाट इज sin 30? 1/2. cos 30 √3/2 minus sin 60 √3/2 cos 60 1/2. If you check both the bracket, they are exactly same, so ये cancel हो जाएगा. Hence the result is 0. A pole 12 meter high cast a shadow 4√3 on meter long on the ground. Trigonometry based question के लिए सबसे पहले हम डायग्राम बनाएंगे. A right angle triangle. Label it properly. A, B, C. BC is your ground. AB is pole. अब एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में हमारी ये एब्रिविएशन चलती है सो का टो, where S stands for sine, C stands for cos, T stands for tan, O stands for opposite, H stands for hypotenuse, A stands for adjacent. Adjacent means जो उसके बिल्कुल साइड में है. If this is theta, according to this theta, AB is opposite side. इसके साथ कौन सी साइड है? BC. So BC हो जाएगी adjacent side और hypotenuse remains hypotenuse. So what all we have height of pole and shadow. तो हमें क्या क्या दे रखा है? हमें दे रखा है opposite side और उसके साथ हमें adjacent side दे रखी है. So which trigonometric ratio? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite 12 upon 4√3. Both are divisible. 4, 3. This 3 can be written √3 upon √3. Cancel. Tan theta. Tan theta √3 कब होता है? Tan theta √3 60 डिग्री पे होता है. And the answer is 60. First term of an AP is -5. Common difference is 2. You need to find the sum of 6 terms. So what is the formula of Sn? n/2 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the direct formula. इसको learn करना पड़ेगा. n 5 है, 6 है, 6 upon 2. A is -5. Substitute the value. N is 6. 6 minus 1. 5 into 2. This can be cancelled. 3. 2 into 5 is -10 plus 10. This is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Next question. Quadratic equation has ऑप्शंस क्या दे रखे? डिस्टिंक्ट, इक्वल, रियल और मोर देन 2 रियल. इसमें हमें वैल्यू फाइंड आउट नहीं करनी है. तो इस केस में हम क्या चेक करेंगे? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ डी? b² minus 4ac. b is -√5. a 2 है. This is our a, this is b, this is c. c is 1. Along with sign 5 minus 8, which is -3. Now if d is greater than 0, then it will be real and distinct. If d is equal to 0, equal, real, roots, and if D is less than 0, then imaginary or no real. So what is the answer? No real. Next, the pair represent parallel lines. पैरेलल लाइंस की हमारा क्या फॉर्मूला होता है, a1 अपॉन a2 इज इक्वल टू b1 अपॉन b2 इज इक्वल टू c1 अपॉन c2. सो इस इक्वेशन को अगर हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, सो ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0, राइट साइड 0 होना चाहिए. नाउ रिप्लेस a1 is a, a2 is 3, b1 is b, b2 is also b. Now there is a mistake in question. This is 2. So b1 is 2 upon b. c1 is negative 9, negative 18. Now cancel. 9, 1, 9, 2. Check options. Let's take this. If you solve, this will become AB is equal to 6. हमारे पास है ऐसी वैल्यू. D part. Alpha, beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Fx is equal to px square minus 2x plus 3p, and one more equation given, alpha plus beta is equal to alpha. Beta, find the value of p. First let's find sum of zeros. Sum of zeros क्या होता है हमारा, नेगेटिव b by a. यहाँ पर b क्या है, negative of 2, a is p, which means 2 by p, negative negative positive. अल्फा बीटा क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, c by a. यहाँ पर हमारा c क्या है, 3p upon p. This p cancel. Using this equation, given equation, replace 2 by p is equal to 3. 2 upon 3 is equal to p. So B is the answer. Next. 15th question. Sum of two number is 1 to 15. HCF is 81. Possible number of pairs जो हमें ये दोनों condition satisfy करते हैं. Let's convert into equation. A plus B is 1 to 1, 5. Where A and B are co-primes. Co-prime number कौन से होते हैं, जिनका सिर्फ एक common factor होता है, that is 1 itself. HCF is given 81. That means highest common factor 81 है. So let the numbers be. हमारे numbers क्या हो जाएंगे, 81A, because 81 should be one of the factor, highest common factor. 81B, 1 to 1, 5. Take 81 common. A plus B is 1 to 1, 5. A plus B is 1 to 1, 5 by 81 divisible 1, 5. अब हमारे possibilities क्या हैं, 1 plus 14, 2 plus 13, 3 plus 12, 4 plus 11, 5 plus 10, 6 plus 9, 7 plus 8. These are the possibilities. अब ये सारी possibilities true नहीं है, हमें चेक करना है कि कौन सी possibilities correct होंगी, जिसमें दोनों co-primes होंगी. ये conditions हमें देखनी है. 1 और 14 is co-prime, correct. 2 and 13 co-prime, yes. 3 and 12 is not co-prime. Why? Because 3 is one of the factor. not co-prime. 4, 11 co-prime, 5, 10 not co-prime because इनका 5 भी है, factor है 6 and 9 not co-prime because 3 is one of the factors, 7 and 8 co-prime. So there are 4 possibilities. Next, if the coordinates of one end of the diameter of a circle is 2, 3 and the center is negative 2, 5, find the other end. Let the other end be A, B. Now center is the midpoint of the diameter. So midpoint formula says x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. Replace A plus 2 upon 2 is equal to negative 2. This is for x. B plus 3 upon 2 is equal to 5. This is for y. So A plus 2 is negative 4. A is negative 6. Here B plus 3 is 10. B is equal to 7. So A part. Next, which of the following is equal to the given expression? So change everything into sine and cos. Cot is cos theta upon sine theta. Sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta divided by cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. So this will become cos theta upon sine theta into cos theta into cos theta. cos square थीटा को ब्रेक करके हमने 2 बार cos थीटा लिख दिया. डिवीजन चेंज इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन and reciprocal of denominator. So sin cancel, cos cancel. 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta is sec theta. Next, if P A by 3, 4 represent with the help of diagram. P is the midpoint, value is A by 3, 4, line segment joining Q and R. Q is negative 6, 5, R is negative 2, 3. Find the value of A. So this is X coordinate. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, midpoint formula. A by 3 is equal to x1 is negative 6 plus negative 2 upon 2. So A is equal to negative 6, negative 2 is negative 8 by 2 into 3. This will go to other side. Negative 4. A is equal to negative 12. Assertion ABCD is a trapezium. Draw it. ज्योमेट्री बेस्ड क्वेश्चन सबसे पहले ड्रॉ करने होते हैं. AB is parallel to CD. E and F are the point. जैसे ही आप इसको पिक्चर के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, फिगर की फॉर्म में, थोड़ी क्लैरिटी मिल जाती है. सो AB is parallel to CD and EF is parallel to AB. All three lines are parallel to each other. CD. AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. So this is true. AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. Any line parallel to parallel side of the trapezium divides the non-parallel sides proportionally. This is also true. यही चीज हो रही है assertion में. Hence, this R is the correct explanation of A. So our result is A. Both are true. Both are true. And R is the correct explanation. Next, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower of a 20 root 3 meter height. This is again, it's a trigonometry represent with the help of diagram. This is 60 meter away and this is 30°. Opposite is given also. This is adjacent. Opposite and adjacent part is given. So this is tan theta. Tan theta says opposite upon adjacent. What is opposite? 20 root 3. Adjacent is 60. Root 3 upon 3. So tan theta root 3. 3 can be written as root 3. Both are cancelled. 1 upon root 3. When tan theta is 1 upon root 3, tan 30°. So this is true. This one is also true. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. But we haven't used this because यहाँ पर सिर्फ साइड पता चलती है, यहाँ पर हमें एंगल भी गिवन था. So this is B. Both are true, but R is not the correct explanation.